Hey cooks, welcome back. I am cooking again. It's your guy Ken. Today, we're doing, it says on the label, pork shoulder butt. That's a lot of words. Shoulder or butt, but stop it. It's a pork shoulder. Everybody know what it is. Or Boston butt, whatever you want to call it, okay? We've got our butt rub. Do a little cherry cola on top. Do a little different today. We're gonna put it in the pan. Okay, cooks? Get all those good juices. We might do a pulled pork, I don't know. All those good juices on some vegetable. Got some vegetable broth, and that's after we get a bark. Okay, cooks? After we get a bark, with vegetable broth, cut up some red potato, onion, carrots, delicious, over a little white rice. We're doing Sunday dinner correctly. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. All right, folks, we're back. We're doing this minimal trim. Minimal, got a little fat, a big hump of fat there. Let's get that out of there, okay? Minimal trim, like I said, cooks, minimal. That's the minimal. That's it. Minimal trim. Get this out of here. Okay, cooks? A little binder, okay? Do a little mustard binder. Wait a minute, cooks. Wait, almost. Let me score that back. Let me score that bottom. Let me score this fat cat real quick. Score that. Score it. What's the score? I don't know the score. I'm not playing. Score that up a little bit, cooks, okay? Get a little score on that. A little bit of score, okay? A little bit of score. This is not that thick, so it's not bad. It's not crazy, okay, cooks? Back to reality. Okay, cooks. Mustard bottom. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Score that. All right. Binder. Boom. Okay? Binder, boom. Now, usually, you know what I'm not gonna do? I'm not gonna put, this is coming off, okay? It's gonna cook off, it's gonna be gone, okay? Leave that mustard up. Leave that mustard on there. Okay, cooks, you know this channel. I just called it audible. That's an audible. That is an audible, cooks. Come on, mustard. Come on, mustard. Stop playing. There you go. Stop playing. Get it in there, okay? Oh, yeah, that front game's strong. Bone game, okay? Money muscle, as they say. Money muscle. I haven't made any money off it. I don't know. All of those. Hand wash. Quickly. We still rolling. You hear me. You know you hear me. You know you hear me. I'm back. Bad Byron's butt rub. Let's get it. Come on, Bad Byron. Bad Byron's butt rub. Put it in there. Oh, that's Bad Byron. Byron's bad, yeah. Byron's a bad joker. Come on, Bad Byron. On that top right there. We're gonna do a good bark, okay? A good bark. As opposed to a bad bark. A good bark. Okay, cooks? Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Check what that binder is. If you still see mustard, you don't have enough seasoning on it. Okay, cooks? You don't have enough. Bad Byron's on the case. Looking good. A little cherry cola. A little sweet. Got the regular up, a little sweetness. A little, you take that as you want. We're adding a little sweetness. I don't know. It's a different time, cooks. It's a different time. Watch what you say. Respect everybody, but watch what you say. Get out. A little sweetness on top of that Bad Byron. Oh, we're gonna bark for you. This gonna bark. This is like a dog. This is gonna be a dog, y'all. Come on, some barking. Okay, cooks? Boom, boom. Let that sweat, because it's tired. They've been working all day. Let that sweat, 15, 20 minutes, maybe a half hour at the most. We're doing hot and fast today, cooks. We don't have time for that, okay? 325 on the pellet smoker. I'm looking for 5, maybe 6 hours tops, okay? Put the vegetable in it. We still got we got some good rub on the sides. I'm gonna put that in there, blend it together, blend it together. Why am I speaking so fast? Because that's where I'm from. I apologize. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Here we are. Outside. I'm at 325. I might go 350. Hot, fast cooks. hot and fast. We don't have time to play. Let's get it up and, oh, let's go. Everybody going? Everybody's going. Everybody's going. Straight on. Let's go. Right in the pan. Right in the pan. Boom. She's on there. First check. 1 hour, maybe 2 hours. You know how I cook it. We do things. We're off the grid. We do stuff different. Okay, cooks? Stay with your guy. I'm cooking again, cooks. We're back. Boston Butt. She been rocking 3 hours out there. Hot and fast, cooks. Hot and fast. We got a bark. She's set. We're going to do something different. Okay, cooks? We have this lovely pan. We're going to add some vegetables. We have carrots, potato, and onion. By hand. Let's get it in there. Get it in there. This juice. See, use that. They say, oh, it created so much juice. Whoa, what you going to do with it? Use it to flavor your stuff, man. Use it to flavor your stuff. When I say your stuff, that means added size. Added size, cooks. Get it in there. Get it in there. I might pick this whole meat up and just put it under there. I think I might have to. I might kind of have to. I might kind of have to. Okay, cook this. That's how I do it. This channel. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that juice right there. Oh man, put it under there. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yes, sir. Yes, we're gonna take it back out. Yes, we're gonna take it back out once everything's done, because the pulled pork, you know, we'll use that juice. But these vegetables, oh, delicious, delicious. I said potatoes, onions, and carrots. That's it. Cut the deck. Get them in there. Get them in there. Expeditiously. I'm going a little slow. Not so much expeditiously, but we get in there. Okay, because red potato game, carrot game, onion game. Boom. Boom. Ooh, it's gonna sit up. It's gonna sit up like that. Okay. Look at that. This thing's gonna develop so many juices. Okay, cool. Vegetable broth. Okay. Vegetable broth in the pan. Boom. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Here we go. There we go, cooks. And we know what we're gonna do now. Wrap it. 1, 2. Not that. Not that. Not that. Wrap it. Two-side wrap. Two-side wrap. One there. Two sides. Two side wrap. Two side. Four side. Boom. Let's get it tight. Going back out there, y'all. Going back out there. I pulled it. It was 180. We're gonna get it out there over 200, maybe an hour. Okay, cooks. Let this thing rest. All those vegetables. It's gonna be delicious. Stay with your guy. I'm cooking. Hey, cooks. We're back at the end. Look at this thing, man. With the potatoes, the carrots. You see the bone. The bone is popping out. You know what it is. We made it, cooks. This is delicious. We're gonna put it over the rice. We're gonna pull this pork. He said, pull the pork. Not right now. Stop it. This is delicious. Stay with your guy. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. We're cooking. I'm telling you how to cook economically and easy. Okay? Cooks. Hit the notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks, we're back with the claws, meat claws. I got my name. Ah, the name. I'm cooking again. Come on, man. Come on, man. Go ahead, though. Go ahead, though. Let's go. Go, Robert. Oh, look at it. Look at it's over. Cooks. Look at this thing. It's hot fire. Oh, man. Look at it. It's gone. It's gone. The bone is right there. Everybody knows if the bone don't move, the bone is moving. Cooks. It's hot. It's hot. Everybody want to see the bone. Everybody want to see the bone. I'm not touching the bone because the bone is 5,000 degrees. I will show you the bone. Cooks. Look at this thing. Nobody cares about that doggone bone. Look at this thing. She's shredding at the end. Okay. Your whole life has changed. Maybe. Oh, come on. Cooks. You know how we do. Come on, Cooks. Look at that. Look at that. What are they doing? What are they doing? Now, what I'm going to do, Cooks, a little the bone. There's the bone. You see my... I need some heat gloves. Cooks. I'm going to grab with this. Okay, Cooks? Test part. She done. Big bone out. That's hot. Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Hit the notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy. I'm cooking again.